So we got the finished product on the Rustoluem and 2K clear on the top. It's after a wet sand and a buff. A little bit of orange peel left, nothing crazy. It's really, really clean. Took a 1000 grit, 1500, 2K, and then the V series on my orbital. Four stage process. Can't put wax on it for about 90 days. This is basically the before. You can see, put a little bit of sand marks right there to show you all the orange peel out of my gun. Roof is the worst out of all. Here's a before or an after. Before. I mean, doesn't take much to show all that orange peel. I also wet sanded and buffed this side, this quarter. You can see a little bit orange peel still. Top left and right here. Nothing crazy. Probably just gonna leave it. But yeah, pretty dang clean for what it is. I used this Rustoluem metallic for my base over my primer and my bonder, and this Finish 1 clear coat out of a Harbor Freight plug-in gun. And that's it.